Hello, my dear KSJ family. How are you guys? I hope all of you are doing superbly well. Okay, so this information, this very special information, something special, a very special gift for all my CA as well as CMA intermediate students. Watch the video till the end because this is something really special for all of you. For the very first time, I'm doing this thing in my teaching career. So this is as a gift for all of you. Sir, what is the gift? So in the yesterday's class, that is on 21st of February 2023, in the live costing class, I announced a gift of what? A 50% discount on certain courses, right? So what are those courses on which there is going to be a 50% discount, but that is only for one day, right? So guys, already many people have subscribed to it. कुछ लोगों से तो बिल्कुल भी रुका नहीं गया, कुछ लोगों ने लाइव क्लास चलते चलते ही सब्सक्राइब कर दिया था. So but I thought that this video is very important because some of you are not watching that live batch. Some of you are the English batch students. So this is for all those guys who didn't watch that video or who missed out on the YouTube community also. I posted on the YouTube community also. So this video is for all of you. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and share with all your friends for their benefit also, along with your benefit, right? So what is that huge announcement? The huge gift is that there is 50% off on the selected courses. Which are those selected courses? One is the costing all-rounder course containing the ICAI study mat, RTP, MTP and previous year questions. One of the best question practice course, right? This is a lecture course, no study mat, nothing is included in that. That is purely the practice of the questions, and which is the need of the costing paper, that you need to practice more and more for scoring 80 plus marks in costing, right? So every type of question, almost every type of question is covered in that particular course. So already many students have enrolled for this costing all-rounder course. The second course is, if you do not want to go for the costing all-rounder course, then you can go for only ICAI study mat course, right? In that we have covered each and every question of the ICAI study material. These two courses are available in Hindi. You will be able to watch these courses on laptop as well as on the mobile. So this is another additional benefit, that this is for the laptop view plus the mobile view, which has never happened in the history, right? So this is something you cannot miss out. Sir, only these two courses. What about the CMA students, right? How can I miss my special CMA students also? So for the CMA students, there is paper 8 study mat series old course, which is available in English, right? That is available in English. Please do read the course language carefully before making the payment, right? So paper 8 study mat series is available. On that also there is 50% discount, right? And to add to that, one course which I didn't mention even in the live batch, that is the financial management ICAI SM series, if you are preparing for the group 2 of the ICAI, right? For CMA, financial management is currently not available, but for CA, the financial management series in English is available, and that too at 50% discount. So these are very reasonable prices. Guys, go for it. Invest in that, because that is going to be something really game changing for your future only, for your upcoming attempt, whether you are preparing for May 23 or you are preparing for November 23, you will get sufficient validity, sufficient number of views. It is not like that if we are providing on the lower prices, we are going to cut down on the views or the validity. No, you are going to get 3 views for each of the lectures. And depending upon the number of hours you are going to watch that lecture, and you are going to get 11 months of validity. So even the November 23 students can make use of it, right? Isn't it great? Definitely, sir, definitely, right? So you can't miss it out. Do not miss this opportunity, right? It's once in a lifetime kind of opportunity that you are getting. I don't know if I'm going to give this kind of opportunity again or not, but right now, as a part of the birthday month of the KSJ teaching, I am providing you guys with this particular special gift of 50%. Okay, sir, how to avail this? Listen to it very carefully for the next 1 minute. How to avail it? You don't have to download our mobile app. You don't have to go to our website. What you have to do it, in the video description, you will find all the payment links, right? Whichever course you want to cover, the payment link directly is available in the video description. You just go that, and also in the pinned comment I will put those, right? So you just have to make the payment, and within 24 to 48 hours you will get the Google Drive link for playing the lectures on the desktop, laptop, and as well as the mobile app on which you can play these lectures, right? So guys, please do not miss out on this opportunity and go for it, right? All the best guys, see you soon.